Hi guys, a pleasant day to you all. For today's video, let us solve another integral. The integral is given by the function of 1 over square root of x times the quantity of 1 plus square root of x raised to 2 dx. The first step is mag-assign tayo ng variable. Let u is equal to 1 plus square root of x. After that, let us find the derivative of that function. So du over dx is equal to 1 over 2 plus square root of x. Then, isolate natin yung variable na dx. Then, we have 2 square root of x du. Pagkatapos niyan, ay i-change natin yung initial function. We now have a new integral given by the function of 1 over square root of x u squared. So, as you can see, the function 1 plus square root of x is now in a variable called u. Then, times 2 square root of x du. Kung makikita natin dito ay pwedeng i-cancel ang square root of x. Now, we are left with 2 times the integral of 1 over u squared. If you're wondering why nakalabas na yung u, sa integral is nilalabas talaga yung constant. So, let us continue. Then, we have 2 integral of u negative 2. 1 over u squared and u raised to negative 2 are equal. Then, apply the integration rule. Now we have 2 times u raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Simplify, we are left with 2 times negative u raised to negative 1 over 1 plus c. And then simplify again, we now have negative 2 over u plus c. Pagkatapos niyan is ibabalik na natin yung inassign natin na variable. Now, we are left with negative 2 over 1 plus square root of x plus c. That's the final answer. We can say that the integral of 1 over square root of x times the quantity of 1 plus square root of x raised to 2 dx is equal to negative 2 over 1 plus square root of x plus c. So when solving an integral, dapat hindi natin i-forget talaga yung plus c. Kasi pag walang plus c, it is possible na mamaminus yung points mo or mamalian ka ng instructor mo. So, that's all. Thank you.